Today, I have a simple and fun handmade craft tutorial for you to make before we reach the Christmas decorating season. Using only fabric and some decorative thread, you can create these unique Danish-inspired folded star ornaments to put on display or to give as a handmade gift to those you love. To start, you will need 4 coordinating pieces of fabric. Cut them into 8 cm by 30 cm strips or 12 inch by 3¼ inches. Once you have finished cutting the fabric into strips, the next step will be to iron each strip in half. Then, fold the long edges into the center and press again. Repeat for the rest of the fabric strips. To add a bit of sparkle to the ornament, I'll be using Glamour, which is our 12-weight rayon thread that has a strand of metallic in it. It's perfect for adding some shimmer to the Christmas tree. In the bobbin, I'll use this fine 80-weight cottonized polyester thread, Deco Bob. Because I have such a thick top thread, this will greatly reduce tension issues and help the piece lay flatter. I'll also be using a 116 non-stick needle in my machine. You can choose any decorative stitch on your machine for the next part, or keep it simple with a straight stitch. When you've decided on the stitch you're using, sew a line down each long edge of your fabric strips, or one line up the center. For our next step, we'll be weaving the strips together to form the main structure of the star. Take one strip and fold it a little less than halfway down so that one end of the strip is about 3 centimeters or an inch longer than the other. Take the folded strip, short side facing up, and place another folded strip around it, with the short end facing up and having it sit perpendicular to the last and about an inch from the last fold. Place your next strip, folded around the previous strip and sitting parallel to the first one, but with the ends facing the opposite direction. Place the last strip folded around the previous strip, then tuck the ends into the 1-inch gap left on your first strip. This will form a square. Pull on all the ends to tighten. Flip the piece over to the other side and we can begin weaving. Now, working with the long ends of the strips, fold them over on themselves, working clockwise around your center. Slide your last strip through the fold you made in the first strip and tighten. Make sure you pull all the ends snug or your ornament will be loose when it's finished. To create the triangular points, take the short end of each strip and fold it away from the center to make a triangular form. Flip the star over and fold the end down to form a point. Then fold the point in half again. Tuck the end into the loop of the weave to secure. You can trim some of the excess strip off, but leave some room to tuck it into the ornament for a clean finish. When you're done, give your star a quick press on both sides and steam with an iron to keep all the folds flat and in place. If you want to hang your star, cut about a 6½ inch length of thread and tie a knot with the 2 loose tails. Thread the doubled up thread through a hand sewing needle and pull the needle through the top middle part of your star from back to front. Don't pull the thread all the way through. Just slide the needle through the loop you've created, back through itself to make a hanger. Unthread your needle. If you position the knot behind the ornament, it won't be noticeable. Ta-da! You've just completed making your own Danish star, and you have given it your personal touch. Tag us on Facebook or Instagram and let us know what your star looks like. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and join us for more great tips and tutorials. Happy holidays from WonderFil Specialty Threads.